Meet the Insta360 Luna Ultra, a camera designed to change how we capture the world. This is the retail packaging for the Insta360 Luna Ultra, packed with some of Insta360's latest camera technology. Right on the front of the box, Insta360 highlights two standout features: Leica co-engineered optics and stunning dual-lens 8K video recording. The side panel highlights some impressive specs, including dual Leica lenses, a 1-inch sensor, a dedicated telephoto lens, triple AI chips for low-light shooting, and portrait features designed to deliver more natural-looking results. Alongside the impressive hardware, the Luna Ultra packs in plenty of smart features, from a detachable touchscreen remote and AI tracking to 10-bit iLog recording and a battery rated for up to 4 hours of use. With the tour of the packaging complete, it's finally time to unwrap the Luna Ultra and get our first look at what's inside. And there it is. Opening the box reveals the Luna Ultra securely tucked away inside its protective carrying case, giving it a premium first impression right from the start. As always, part of the excitement of getting a new camera is discovering everything that's included and getting a first look at how Insta360 has packaged the entire experience. From the presentation to the accessories, everything feels thoughtfully organized and ready for the next step. And here's the complete package. Everything that comes included with the Insta360 Luna Ultra. Taking a closer look at its contents list, Insta360 keeps things straightforward with the Luna Ultra: a protective cover, mounting handle, wrist strap, charging cable, and the usual documentation to help you get started. Nothing too surprising here, but it's nice to see the essentials included right in the box. With the smaller accessories and documentation out of the way, let's take a look at some of the hardware Insta360 includes with the Luna Ultra. The included 1/4-inch thread handle does more than just provide a comfort grip. It connects directly to the camera through the USB-C, includes a second USB-C port for charging and data transfer, and even features a built-in fold-out tripod in the base. It's a thoughtful design that makes the Luna Ultra more versatile right out of the box. Before we remove it from its protective case, here's a closer look at the Luna Ultra as it arrives out of the box. Even through the case, you get a sense of its compact size and unique design, while the protective shell keeps everything secure during transport. One accessory worth highlighting is the included windshield. Designed to help reduce wind noise when recording outdoors, it's a simple addition that makes a noticeable difference in overall audio quality. This is the moment we've been building toward. The protective case opens up with a simple press of the release button, giving us our first clear look at the Luna Ultra without any covers or packaging in the way. Before we move on to the camera itself, there's one more detail worth mentioning. The protective case includes dedicated storage compartments for optional accessories, including the wide-angle lens and the black mist filter, helping keep everything organized and protected in one place. One small thing I noticed is the camera can move around a little bit at the bottom of the case. The gimbal section at the top feels very secure, but the lower portion has a bit of play. It's not a major issue, but a tighter fit would have made the case feel even more secure. Here are the official dimensions and weight of the Luna Ultra. Considering the technology packed inside, Insta360 has done a good job keeping both the camera compact and easy to carry. The handle houses several key controls, including the record button, zoom slider, and the gimbal joystick. Having these functions within easy reach allows for quick adjustments while keeping your attention on the shot. Another interesting feature is the removable touchscreen remote. By pressing the two release buttons on the side, the screen detaches from the handle. With the hardware tour complete, it's time to power on the Luna Ultra for the very first time. After removing the protective films, the camera boots up and guides you through a quick setup process, including language selection and any available firmware updates. Within just a few minutes, everything is configured and the Luna Ultra is ready to start shooting. Another thoughtful feature is the rotating touchscreen. Simply flipping the display can automatically power the Luna Ultra on or off, making it quick to start shooting while helping conserve battery life when you're finished. First impressions are definitely positive. The Luna Ultra feels well built, packed with innovative features and unlike anything else currently available. We've explored what's in the box, taken a tour of the hardware, and completed the initial setup. Now comes the fun part, putting it to the test and finding out if it lives up to the hype.